have you ever put hair extensions on a wig, a hairpiece, a topper, a volumizer? Because I've had,
That's awesome, man. Oh, that's a great idea. Okay, yeah, I have not done that, but that's awesome.
and I personally, I guess I have done it to help another stylist out, but another stylist had the idea and just did it without asking me, and it worked out great. And it was K-tips. We put keratin bonded tips in a hair system as a highlight and or low lights at different times. And it was like, well, it was a faster technique because it was a blonde hair system. We bonded on this lady's head. And so she was worried about the color fading if she colored or did low lights. So in this case, she put darker extensions in that held the color much longer. And what was neat about that is they don't grow out at all. So they stay on the hair system. And so I've also had stylists that would have a larger hair system. And in some cases, like our volumizer and our enhancer, the hair length is only 12 inches long. And they wanted a little more. So they would get the 14-inch hair in extensions and add it right. Sometimes they put it just under on the client's head, but sometimes they attach it to the very bottom edge of the actual volumizer.
Okay.
Put it in there. It's always in there. Now they move the volumizer, put it back on after a color service or just a tightening maintenance service. And they still might add a 18-inch weft of extensions down lower on the client. So they're having to take that one out and put it back in. But the other one, it was like within a couple of inches, either put it on the client and have to remove it and put it back in, or add it to the bottom edge of the volumizer. And then they don't have to remove that one. So it saves time for one thing, adds volume to the system. And even if that system got a little bit of a thin or a bald spot over time, they're thickening the hair system with hair extensions.
I mean, what a fantastic idea. Yeah.
The creativity. It's such a great idea. Whether you're adding length, highlights, or low lights, it's just such a great idea to put them together. But like you were saying earlier, one or the other, I didn't know you were going to go into the creative side. And I'm glad you brought that up first. And then it was like using them both, but then using them both.
And then really using them both.
Yeah, it's like this, or both, or together. I mean,
you know why it's such a fantastic idea, though? For so many reasons.
I saw a light bulb go off in your head when I was saying it.
So many reasons. That's such a fantastic idea because it is labor intensive. It is cumbersome. It is labor intensive. It does take time. And there is an added cost to that. By being able to attach it to the system itself, oh my gosh, that now you're not worried about everything growing out at the same time and what's happening where and what. Just the maintenance, the lessening of the maintenance for the client at home. Boom. That is wild. That is so awesome, right?